of my relevant people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Coleman and we are going to be juicing today. So let's get it started. So this first recipe is called Morning Melon Boost. Melons such as watermelon and honeydew are an excellent source of adenosine, a chemical that helps reduce the risk of stroke and cancer. Combined with the cool flavor of cantaloupe and the tang of lemon, this juice will definitely wake you up in the morning, and it is really good, you guys. I also just want to note that I'm going to link in the description box the book that I am juicing all of my recipes from. It's called Juicing for Beginners, and I also found this on Amazon as well. So y'all go check out the description box. Alright y'all, so this juice was really good. It's really a refreshing type of drink, and it's really good to drink on an empty stomach in the morning time, to have it the first thing in the morning. And it really does wake you up. It really does. I think next time I might add some pineapple into it, just to give it a little bit more flavor. Okay y'all, so the next recipe is a green juice. It's called Green Goddess Juice. Feel like a goddess or a god after drinking this delightful green juice. It is full of healthy vitamins and minerals, and it will leave you feeling utterly refreshed. Now, this recipe has kale leaves, pineapples, spinach, and apples. And I also used a mix of Granny Smith apples and a Golden Delicious apple as well. So this was really good. This was my favorite. I think I will be making this one more often, so I will say that. I also just want to give y'all some facts on the different vegetables and fruits that I'm using for this green juice. But kale is the highest vegetable source of vitamin K, which may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, and I did not know that. Then you have spinach. Spinach is a great source of vitamins A, C, and E, and it also contains high levels of calcium, iron, potassium, and protein. Go spinach! Now, pineapples are a good source of iron, potassium, and vitamin C. Pineapples contain bromelain and other anti-inflammatory compounds, which help to promote joint health. Okay, pineapple, that's why I love you so much. Now, we all know what apples do, honey. Apples have a lot of fiber, so if you need to go to the bathroom, put you some apples in your juice, honey. They will clean you right on out. And then lastly, I added in lemon. The recipe didn't call for lemon, but I just wanted to add it in. But lemon is great for detoxification. It has been linked to cancer prevention and relief from digestive issues, and it reduces risk for heart disease and strokes. Okay, lemon, put y'all some lemon in y'all water. Lemon water, y'all. Say it with me now, lemon water. Y'all enjoy the rest of this video.
Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in. Say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weed, sold in. Say it again, sold in.
Hi guys, so I am finally done juicing. Juicing is very time consuming, especially if you're trying to make juice for the entire week or at least have close to it, something like that. But I was able to make a total of, I have 8 16-ounce glass jars here, glass bottles, excuse me, and I have 4 of each recipe. I will list in the description box the ingredients or all of the produce that I use to make my juices, and I will link the juicer in the description box. And also I got these glass bottles off of Amazon as well. And if you all are juicing and starting a juicing journey or have been juicing, you know, comment below and give me some good tips on how it's going, and I guess, you know, how many juices you consume a day. Do you do 2 a day, 1 a day, 3 a day? Are you detoxing? But we are going to get this juicing journey started, and again, jump on this train with me, my YouTubers, my YouTube fam, subscribers, everybody, honey. Tell your mama, auntie, grandma, cousin, everybody. But I'm just rambling now. But did I leave anything else out? I don't think I have. I think that's it. But if y'all enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like, comment, share with your neighbor, and subscribe. And go watch my previous video on this Ayabosi, if I'm saying that right. I feel like I'm butchering the name, but go watch my previous video on this juicer and how I put it together. And if you all want to get a juicer, honey, go on Amazon. You don't have to pay a lot of money to juice, you know, or to buy a juicer. Just get your slow masticating juicer, and just to kind of start things off. Maybe in the future I'll get a more fancier one, but right now we gonna use this one. But all right, y'all, in the words of the pastor, in closing, y'all have a great day, night, evening, morning, whenever you watching this video. But see y'all next time. Bye.